Can I see your face?
I'll fuck you up, dog. Don't touch me, homeboy. I will drop you.
Why they're filming? What is that?
Try it again, little man. Try that shit again, homeboy. Hey, I'll fucking handle you, dog. Hey, don't be ever touching no one, homeboy. Don't ever touch.
No.
Alright, Jeff. So what I want right now is everybody to put their cameras over here on the dash cam or on the front of my car, okay?
We have footage of us being attacked.
This is all private property. Do you understand that,
okay.
Right? I understand you guys know the difference between public and private, right? This is all private property. They do not want you around here doing this. Do you understand that?
Okay.
So what I want everybody to do is put their cameras all on the hood of my car right now. Everybody put your cameras on the hood of my car. I'm gonna give you one more chance.
Is there a sergeant here? Because I have footage of being attacked.
Okay, so if we're gonna figure that out, I need everybody to put their cameras on the hood of my car.
Usually you guys look at it right away so we don't do this whole thing. Yeah, let me show you. So while he's over there embellishing and lying, I have footage that clearly shows, oh, and look, my face was hurt too. Look, right there. Right there, scratch from the guy right here.
You need to go over to Target and see if we desire prosecution for trespass.
You can't trespass on Pruneyard law.
Dude.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, because today's video is straight up insane. This situation kicks off with a man immediately demanding, "Why am I on film?" and asking to see the cameraman's face. Right away, you can tell this guy is triggered just because someone is exercising their right to record. And then boom, things escalate fast. The attacker starts running his mouth, threatening violence, and trying to intimidate people into stopping the recording. Meanwhile, the victims are calm and clearly trying to document what's happening. This is where the pattern begins. Instead of officers focusing on the assault, they show up with one goal: control the cameras. The victims even state they have footage of being attacked, but watch how the police response starts going in the wrong direction.
It's private property.
No, it's not. We do this every day. This is what we do. Just like you do that, we do this.
All over here.
Not us.
Okay, well, Target called us.
Okay, cool. Target's way over there. Assaulted, as you saw. Okay, so should I press charges right now because you're here? Because I think I should press charges.
It's as simple
because he's not listening.
What I'm telling you is, this is all private property.
It doesn't matter. Right here, it doesn't matter. That right there, every time you guys come, you guys tell us thank you. That's it. That's all. You're the one taking it where it doesn't need to be.
This is all private property. You know what trespass is.
No, you don't. Not here. Every sergeant. I know. Just get your sergeant out here. That's what they all do. Okay.
Tell you the same thing.
Then we don't need to talk anymore. You obviously don't want to listen. You don't even want to read. No, you won't even read it. Read it. Read it. Read it. How come how come?
Robin's decision by the U.S. Supreme
Oh, look at that. He'll read it for you.
That states could allow individuals to engage in free speech activities, such as distributing literature and soliciting signatures on
petitions,
property.
Look at that petition right there.
Centers,
okay.
As
cool.
long as these
Cool. Just wait for your sergeant. You keep saying stuff that are not accurate.
So difficult.
We're not. We're trying to enlighten you and make sure you understand.
If somebody on private property, on their own property,
is this the sergeant?
No.
No. Okay.
Deputy Gonzalez 11653.
Thanks, boss.
If they don't want
when the sergeant gets here and he wants to tell us to leave, we'll leave. But well, you should, because that's the most important thing.
Effectively enhances protections for free speech and.
Oh, we're trying to talk to you about it. You just want to enforce your opinion.
I'm doing.
We're trying to enforce
to walk away and not do this anymore. But I'm telling you, if a deputy goes over there.
Now listen carefully, because this is where the cops start playing games. The officer repeatedly says this is all private property and demands everyone put their cameras on the hood of his car. Think about that. Instead of immediately reviewing the assault footage, he tries to disarm the victims by removing their ability to record. The victims push back and ask for a sergeant, explaining they have video proof and visible scratches from the attacker. The officer then shifts into the classic intimidation mode, saying Target called, implying they could be trespassed, and acting like filming is the real crime here. But the cameraman comes prepared, He references legal protections like prune yard, explaining how free speech activities can still apply in certain public shopping areas. The officer looks irritated, like he doesn't want facts. He wants obedience.
Target signs a trespass authorization. I'm going to arrest you all for trespass. Just causing issues. You're pissing people off. You're walking around the middle of the parking lot. The businesses don't want you here. It's as simple as that. If a private company or private property does not want you here, they have the right
we
to
have
tell
left
you
before
they
when
do
a
not want
sergeant.
you
So
here.
9 out of 10, a sergeant comes, reads it, lets us stay. The one off, he says to leave.
Okay.
We'll leave. That's fine.
What's that? No. Do you, after seeing the video footage, is there anything you want done for that?
Wait a minute. So
I'm asking you.
you're being nice to me now. I appreciate you.
I've been
You
trying to figure
came
this
out
from the
very hostile to
because
us.
Target was telling us that they didn't want you there. Dispatch here for was an assault.
Yes,
Right?
I was
And
assaulted.
There was also other people. No, the guy over there called saying he was assaulted.
Right, but he lied, obviously.
All the other companies, there was a few different places here that were
Okay.
calling saying they wanted trespass. Okay. Is there anything you want done for the assault? You want done?
What can I do now that he's gone?
It's up to you, man. Okay. So now
I
what
mean-
I'm going to ask now is, no one wants you trespass. So okay. That's what we were here for.
Yeah, we don't even go inside of him.
Okay.
We would never. Why would we ever put ourselves in a
I don't
position
know,
like
dude.
that?
That's I'm telling
exactly.
you what I was dispatched
All right.
for.
Look, that's my partner was dispatched to. He was dispatched to a trespass at Target where they wanted you removed.
Right.
You're not inside Target.
We never went in Target.
Okay. So that's a different story.
Yeah.
And then we were dispatched here for
And you
the
know,
assault.
they
the alleged assault,
embellish. You know,
and
they
I needed to
embellish.
figure that out. Have a good one.
Nah.
Yeah. Okay. We're good? All right. All right, gentlemen.
Hey, thank you,
Again,
man.
Just please stay out of the road.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
At this point, the conversation turns into pure power tripping. The cameraman keeps calmly insisting, if a sergeant arrives and tells them to leave, they'll comply. But the officer can't handle that. Instead, he starts threatening mass arrests, saying if Target signs trespass paperwork, he'll arrest everyone. He accuses them of pissing people off and causing issues, even though the real issue was an assault. Notice how he frames it. Not let's find the attacker, but you're walking around in the parking lot. That's the tactic. Shift blame to the victims, paint them as agitators, and protect the person who actually attacked them. The officer even tries to walk away like the whole thing is inconvenient. But once the footage is mentioned again, suddenly the tone changes and he starts acting polite.
You're a fucking coward. You don't wear your face mask. You're not going to show your face. You film your face.
Don't come over here.
Look at my face. I do want to press charges.
These pieces of shit
You're
with their
coming-
face
you're
covered
coming
because
over
they're
here.
cowards.
I am.
You know what?
Go away.
Shut up, you
Go
little
away.
fucking coward.
See that? Hey, I'd like to press charges.
Go away.
He needs to learn.
No, he's lying.
Video, dude.
Yeah, you know what? I never even got near you. So,
Just let him conduct his
Okay,
thing. And
okay.
we'll go that
Sorry.
way. I appreciate it.
they're not person, man. They got nothing to do with the first one.
They're just trying to get right.
You're saying you desire prosecution, sir?
Yeah, absolutely. Look at this guy.
It's like-
Hey,
it's like-
if you guys cuff him up, I'll do it. Yes, but until I see cuffs on him, then I'll give it. I can't do that without cuffs.
Without cuffs?
Once you see cuffs on him, I'll give you all my stuff. Until then, it's not real.
Okay.
Roger that. I got you though.
Again, I don't know if he's going to end up in cuffs, right?
No, it's fine. That's fine. Whatever the case may be, we'll see what happens.
Okay.
What's up, boss?
So he doesn't want anything done. I didn't get the whole video. All I got is that short video of what happened with you, okay? I have his word, your word, and what I saw in the video footage, okay?
Yeah, him attacking me. Yeah,
I
right here. Look,
understand
I have a
I
physical
understand
mark right there. See that?
He just wants to squash the whole incident.
I bet he does, because now he realizes he can go to jail, huh? Hey, if he can come and say sorry to me, I'll stop it.
Nobody's gonna go to jail.
Tell him I need an apology and we're good.
I can't tell him that, dude.
They always do.
Okay.
All you guys always offer it, some apology and we're good. I always get them.
Okay.
So just go ask and let him know, like, hey, there is nothing to push on me. No matter what, my video shows him walking away 20 feet, hitting me in my face, and I got a mark, and it's already recorded. I did nothing to the guy. I'm wishing prosecution. There is nothing. There isn't even mutual combat. It's not even a question. Okay? So I want to press charges on this gentleman.
And this part is wild. The officer finally asks, is there anything you want done for the assault? And the victim immediately says yes. He was assaulted, and the attacker lied. The cops admit they were dispatched for trespass at Target, but the victims weren't even inside Target. So the entire call was exaggerated from start. Then the attacker starts running his mouth again, calling people cowards for wearing face coverings, refusing to show his face, and acting tough. The victim repeatedly says he wants to press charges, saying the attacker needs to learn. But now the victim is treated like a burden. He tells the officer he'll provide all evidence once the attacker is cuffed, because without enforcement, apologies mean nothing. The officer responds like he's not sure anything will happen, which is exactly the problem.
Are you gonna press charges? What are we doing here? Why is it even a question? I have video footage. I have a mark on my face.
All but word against word. And
there's no word against word.
That I saw in the video footage.
That's all you need. 20 feet away, walking up, you saw him reach for my face. You saw it. I'll show you again.
Okay, let me just hold on.
I want to prosecute this man. If he was being cordial and respectful, I would have let it go. Or an apology. He can either go to jail or an apology.
Nobody's going to jail.
Ticket, summons. See, he's the problem, not me. Look at that guy over there. Mutual combat, so everyone's clear online here, is when both people want to fight and the police weren't here and they both say they hit each other first, etc. This gentleman walked 20 feet from behind me, came up, assaulted me, grabbed my face mask.
Sorry. Let's squash this, okay?
I appreciate it, thank you. Just be more, respectful next time, boss.
Are you guys staying in the area, or what's the deal? Are you guys done for the day?
We're probably going to get more calls.
I think you've already got like 30 calls probably throughout the day, so wrapping up towards the end of the day here, so.
Okay.
Hey, all four of you, thank you guys.
Now, the victim breaks it down perfectly. He has video footage, a physical mark on his face, and the attacker walked from about 20 feet away and assaulted him. This is not mutual combat. This is not word versus word. This is literally documented evidence. But the officer keeps acting like it's negotiable. The victim even says he'd accept an apology, but if not, the attacker should face consequences, jail, ticket, summons, something. And the craziest part? The officer says, nobody's going to go to jail. That tells you everything. The attacker wants to squash the incident because now he realizes he could be charged. The victim keeps demanding accountability, saying it's not even a question because the footage shows the assault clearly. This is where police discretion turns into police protection, and it's disgusting to watch.